Charge the Pesti rechargeable electronic sprayer every time after use so it is ready and reliable for the next application. Start by wiping the exterior and drying any residue from the nozzle and tank to prevent corrosion and short circuits. Remove and empty the tank if you used concentrated solutions, then rinse it thoroughly with clean water and let it drain so the charging port and contacts stay dry. Connect the included USB-C cable to the sprayer and to a certified charger or powered USB port and watch the charging indicator lights. A steady light usually means fully charged, while a blinking light indicates charging. Allow the recommended charging time listed in the manual, typically a few hours, and avoid interrupting the initial full charge when the battery is new to preserve capacity. After charging completes, unplug the cable, replace any dust caps over ports, and store the sprayer upright in its pouch or a ventilated area to prevent accidental spills while keeping it accessible. Keep a regular schedule by charging after every use, or at least once every few weeks, if not used to prevent deep discharge and battery degradation. Common mistakes include leaving residue in the tank, which can clog the nozzle and damage internal seals. Always rinse and dry the tank immediately after use to avoid buildup. Another issue is storing the sprayer with a depleted battery, which shortens battery life. Make it a habit to fully charge before long storage and top up every few weeks if unused. People also forget to check the charging cable and port for damage, which can prevent proper charging. Inspect cables for frays, ensure the USB-C connector is clean and straight, and replace any damaged cable before charging. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects involving equipment like sprayers and routine maintenance. We provide a discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and recommend local professionals, helping contractors find work and homeowners find resources.